What is going on, everyone? Thank you so much for checking out this video. So today we're going to be going over how to maximize your profits during the holiday season by selling prints, canvases, and a lot of other items. So if you're ready to make some money, make sure you watch this video all the way through because I'm going to give you a few of my secrets where I'm able to maximize my profits. Of course, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on those bell notifications so you're notified when I bring out new videos. And now let's begin. So the first option I found to be most profitable is printing and matting your own work. So whether that is a 5x7, an 8x10, an 11x14, a 16x20, or even a framed and matted photo. Having all these size options at various prices is a great way to maximize profit because there's a budget for everyone. Of course, this won't be the cheapest way as you have to buy a really good photo printer, all the supplies, and keep stock of all the photos. But in the end, if you sell enough of your work, your profits will outrun the cost of doing it yourself. So for example, for my 11x14 photos, I estimated about $5 per print. That $5 includes the printing, the photo that is printed on, the ink, and the matting kit. So if these are $5 to make, how much do I profit? So I sell my 11x14 matted prints for $40. That is about 8 times my base price to make one of these. So even if you just sell one of these, it is great because you're making almost 8 times the cost to make it. Of course, if you're making larger prints, your profits just go up. And even if you're doing smaller prints, the smaller it is, the smaller it's going to cost to print because it's a smaller paper, smaller matting, and the more you can make off of it. The best thing you can do when you are printing yourself is offer discounts during the holiday season. Since you're in control of your printing and your process, you can make any kind of discount that you want. A lot of the times what I do is if you buy 2 of them, you get free shipping, or if you buy 3 of them, I give you a free print. Doing discounts like that is a great idea because it'll get people interested and people love deals. So even if I am giving away a free print or free shipping, the profit of just selling one is enough to cover that. So the best way to market this is personally Instagram and Facebook. If you have a loyal following on Instagram, people are gonna wanna buy your work. Each time around the holidays, I make sure I create some really nice photos of these to show them off and tell people that these are available. If you're taking and printing local photos like this Cleveland photo, people from Cleveland are gonna want this photo. These make great gifts for grandparents, parents, and friends. So I personally think that this is the most profitable way to make money from your prints. So another great way to profit this holiday season is to sell canvas prints. Now, of course, you don't have to go this large, but this is my favorite size to print, which is 24x36, and I absolutely love how it looks. So printing canvas prints is reasonably easy and affordable. So I personally do not print these canvas prints, but I do use a third-party company online. There are a ton of companies online that do really nice job for very affordable pricing. Some of my favorite companies online are Easy Canvas Prints, Canvas Discount, and Canvas Champ. As far as pricing goes, I buy these 24x36 prints online for $46 and sell them for $180 to $200 each. This is a great way to make a really nice profit selling your work. Like I said, you don't have to go this big on a canvas. They sell a lot of different sizes at very affordable prices. The way I price my work is at least doubling the base cost and then adding some to make sure it's worth it. The worst thing that you can do is underestimate your work because you know what your work is worth. So I highly recommend looking into canvas prints because people love hanging large prints or even smaller prints inside their house. And last but not least is print-on-demand services. So with print-on-demand services, you can do anything from calendars to coffee mugs to coasters to t-shirts, whatever you can think of. I only have this option last because they do take a profit from each sale. But you need to keep in mind that when you are using a print-on-demand service, you are getting them to take in orders, you are getting them to print it, ship it, and customer service. Another great thing that you can do on these print-demand services is set your own margin to see what your profit will be. So from the base price, you can set your margin all the way up to 100% to whatever you want. When it comes to the holidays and you're looking at print-on-demand services, calendars do a great job. For the past 2 years, I personally have used createphotocalendars.com to sell my calendars. This place is great because you can create your own calendars in their editor, you can set your own pricing, you have your own storefront, and they're great quality. So if you want to sign up for that, I have a link below. I highly recommend it. For some really good print-on-demand websites, I use Redbubble, Society6, and sometimes Fine Art America. Again, although you won't see a huge profit on this, you don't have to do anything other than just upload your photos and put it on products. So this is a great way to make some profit if you're on a budget and you don't want to spend your own money. So if you made it this far, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned a lot from it. If you did, the biggest thing you can do is like this video, comment below, and subscribe to this channel. I wish everyone the best of luck selling this holiday season. I hope it's a good year for you, and stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.